Many lies that I've told, and many secrets that I hold. Not ready to see the truth unfold. Didn't know that time could go so slow. If only I just listened to your warnings. You told me that my foolishness had consequences. Going to confession, desperate for redemption. I listen to God's word, but don't practice what I've heard. Friends tell me to stop stressing, that life is a blessing. You only live once, you got your heart once, and I can't prepare all the memories, looking for a way to cure this pain. I'm such a mess, trying to reset the time right from the start. There are many lies that I've told, and many secrets that I hold. Not ready to see the truth unfold. Didn't know that time could go so slow.